Hey, what is up, and welcome to my usertesting.com review. So user testing is a way that you can get paid to test different things, whether that's websites, mobile apps, everything like that. User testing will pay you to do it. So when you go to usertesting.com, make sure you go up the top here and get paid to test. And that will take you to the page where you can sign up for a completely free account to get a little bit more. Like they say, boost your monthly income in your free time. All you need to do is put in your email address, agree to their terms of service. Then once you've actually made your account, they're going to make you do one test. So what you need to do for that test is basically record your screen, talk over what you're seeing, what your experience is, because that's what these brands on user testing are paying for. Brands are trying to get insights and reviews on their websites or their apps. So they essentially want you to screen record your screen, speak into a microphone, and give your opinion on their website, on their apps, and on their different applications. So you can go to usertesting.com and see how everything works. They'll talk about it. All of these different brands, Subway, HP, HelloFresh, GoDaddy. There's a lot of big name brands that use user testing to get real feedback from actual users. So essentially, again, how it works is you sign up, you go through the application process, and then you're able to make some money. Now, this is a worldwide opportunity, but there are a few things I want to mention. One is that you don't get that many tests to do depending on where you live. You might be able to earn a few extra $100 every single month, but again, there's not that many tests going on. If you want to see what I do to make a full-time income from home, by the way, I will leave a completely free link to a completely free training linked at the top of the description. Now let's go over how you actually get paid once you've done these tasks. So if you go over here, the only way that they can pay you is through a verified PayPal account. So this just means a PayPal account that you have linked up to your actual bank account. Now this can be a personal account in most countries. However, in India, it needs to be a PayPal business account for some reason. So in order to get paid, you need PayPal. They have no other payout options, only PayPal. And you also get paid out every 2 weeks, which is not the best, but it's fine, right? Most of these sites pay you in a week, but usertesting.com pays you every 2 weeks. Now, if you're wondering how much you will get paid, it really depends on the type of test. From my personal experience, I earned between $10 and $30 every single test that I did, and they didn't really take me more than 10 to 20 minutes. So it's really easy if you have some spare time and you have some tests and stuff that you can do available to you. It is a nice way to make some extra income in your spare time. However, this is fully not going to replace a job's income. This is just something you can do on the side to supplement your income and maybe make an extra $50, $100, $200 or so every single month. And again, that just depends on how frequent these tests come up. So this is not something you can really rely on to make a lot of money. What I would recommend is find sites similar to user testing, sign up to a lot of them, so that way you'll get more tests coming in and more things that you can do in order to make more money. You could earn a decent amount of money if you do this for a bunch of different user testing style of sites. But honestly, if you're looking to make a full-time income, again, I will leave a link in the description to a completely free training on how I'm able to make a six-figure income every single year working from home, just doing this part-time. That has nothing to do with user testing, but if you are interested in making a full-time income from home, check that out. If you also want me to give you an updated list on all of the different user testing sites that are legitimate, I can put that in the pinned comment down below. If enough people show interest and leave a comment saying, yes, I want the full list, I'll go ahead and release that full list of all of the different user testing sites that you can sign up to, so you have a lot better chance of actually earning more money, because that way you'll be able to do multiple tests on all of these different sites. So again, user testing is fully legitimate. You can do this from anywhere in the world as long as you have a PayPal account that's verified. But just remember, in different countries, like the country that I'm currently residing in, there's very few tests to do. However, if you are in primarily English-speaking countries like the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, New Zealand, or Europe, there will be more tests for you. But again, sign up. It's completely free to sign up. Check it out. And when you do get tests, they will take only 10 to 20 minutes, and you can get an extra, on average, $10 for every single test that you do. If you have any questions about user testing or want my full list, please leave a comment down in the comment section. If you have any questions for me, leave them there. If you like the video, hit that like button. And if you want more reviews and if you want to see more legitimate products and more legitimate ways to make money online, consider subscribing to the channel and turning on that bell notification.